Clean label shows up on supplement packaging constantly, but it has no fixed legal meaning. The FDA has not defined it, and no single certification gives it one meaning across supplements. So what should a buyer actually look for? In practice, clean label is shorthand for specific ingredients a brand chose to leave out. 3 excipients, non-active ingredients, draw most of the current scrutiny: artificial FD&C dyes, titanium dioxide, and talc. Each plays one narrow non-therapeutic role. Artificial dyes exist purely for visual appearance with no role in dissolution or absorption. A 2007 randomized placebo-controlled trial from the University of Southampton tested artificial color mixtures plus sodium benzoate in nearly 300 children and found the mixtures increased hyperactive behavior compared with placebo. In January 2025, the FDA revoked authorization for FD&C Red No. 3 in food and ingested drugs, citing the Delaney Clause, which bars a color additive shown to cause cancer in humans or animals. The petition data showed Red 3 caused cancer in male rats through a rat-specific mechanism not believed to occur in humans. Titanium dioxide is an opacifier. In supplements, its role is mainly visual or coating related, not part of the active ingredient's intended effect. In 2021, EFSA reviewed the available evidence, including thousands of studies, and concluded titanium dioxide can no longer be considered safe when used as a food additive because genotoxicity couldn't be ruled out. The EU withdrew titanium dioxide's food additive authorization in August 2022. Medicines are different. An Article 57 analysis in EMA's Annex 1 found it in 62.55% of tablets and 95.04% of capsules with EEA marketing authorizations. Regulators warned removal could risk shortages, and the Commission reaffirmed medicine use in 2025. Talc is a lubricant and glidant. It keeps powder flowing evenly into a tablet press. Pharmaceutical-grade talc must test negative for asbestos because talc and asbestos can occur in the same mineral deposits. FDA's 2019 sampling assignment found asbestos fibers in 9 of 52 talc-containing cosmetic powder samples, though FDA noted the sample wasn't random. A 2019 Science Translational Medicine study looked at inactive ingredients across more than 42,000 oral medications and found over 90% contained at least one ingredient: lactose, gelatin, dyes, aluminum compounds with a documented allergy or intolerance association. The data are medications, not supplements, but the exposure logic still matters. Here's the honest mechanism behind our own formulation. A film is cast from a polymer solution and dried. It isn't compressed under pressure or filled into a shell. That process doesn't need a lubricant to prevent dye sticking, and it doesn't need an opacifier to hide an uneven fill. The excipient just isn't needed. Color is different. That's an active decision, not a structural one. Instead of a synthetic dye, each strip's color comes from the functional ingredients and flavoring agents already in the formulation. We're not adding an ingredient whose only job is appearance. I want to be direct about the limits. A film still needs a polymer, a plasticizer, and usually a sweetener, each with its own safety profile. And clean label isn't an audited claim category. A buyer still has to check the actual ingredient list, not the front of package language. A clean label claim is only as trustworthy as the specific exclusions behind it. Dyes, titanium dioxide, and talc solve appearance or manufacturing problems, not absorption. We leave 2 out structurally and 1 out by deliberate choice. This isn't medical advice. Talk to a clinician about your own health situation. I'm Jack Zheng. This is MIHIYOLABS, the Founders Lab. Full citations in the description.